Hello everyone, today, I want to talk about something that has become a part of our daily lives, something so common that we barely notice it, yet so dangerous that it's choking our planet. I'm talking about plastic pollution, a crisis we simply can't resist anymore. Plastic was once seen as a miracle. It was light, cheap, durable, and convenient. It changed the way we lived, from packaging our food, carrying our groceries, to making our clothes and gadgets. But what started as a solution has now turned into a global problem. Every year, over 400 million tons of plastic are produced worldwide, and half of that is single-use. We use it once, then throw it away. But a way doesn't really exist, does it? That plastic bag we tossed after shopping might end up in a river, drift into the ocean, and stay there for hundreds of years. Scientists estimate that by 2050, there could be more plastic than fish in the sea. Imagine that. Oceans filled not with life, but with litter. Plastic doesn't just pollute the environment, it enters our bodies too. Tiny particles, called microplastics, are now found in the water we drink, the food we eat, and even the air we breathe. Recent studies have found microplastics inside human blood and lungs. We are literally consuming our own waste. Wildlife suffers even more. Sea turtles mistake plastic bags for jellyfish. Birds feed bottle caps to their chicks, and whales wash up with stomachs full of trash. Plastic pollution is not only an environmental issue, it's a moral issue. It shows how our convenience has come at the cost of other lives. But let's be honest, we can't simply resist plastic overnight. It's everywhere. What we can do, though, is reduce, reuse, and refuse. Reduce our use of single-use plastics like straws, bottles, and packaging. Reuse what we can. Carry reusable bags, bottles, and containers. Refuse products wrapped in unnecessary plastic. Governments and companies also have a huge role to play by banning harmful plastics, promoting recycling, and developing biodegradable alternatives. Change doesn't happen when someone else acts. It happens when we do. Plastic pollution is not a future problem, it's a now problem. Every piece of plastic we've ever made still exists somewhere on Earth. But if each of us chooses to act differently, to care, to question, to change, we can turn this tide. Let's not be the generation that drowned in plastic. Let's be the one that rose above it, because in the fight against plastic pollution, we can't resist. We must persist. Thank you.